Hi and welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations. I'm Johan, and since I'm reorganizing my workspace, I don't have a new restoration video for this week. However, I did receive this shoebox with Dinky Toys from eBay, so let's unbox it together. Well, the first one is this Porsche Carrera 6. There is a Corgi version of this one. This is a Dinky version. It's pretty complete. The engine is there, all the doors are there. Only missing its front hood, or the lights are there, and it's also missing the side mirrors. I think I can do something with that. Anyway, parts are available for this car, so that's a very nice model. Second one. This is an oldie. It's a Bedford made in England, Meccano Limited. It's the Dinky Toys van. Has been painted over in the Belgian colors, black, yellow and red, but it used to be orange and yellow. So this apparently just needs a repaint. Even the tires are in pretty good condition. Only one tire is very hard, but the others are pretty flexible. So it just needs to be fixed up just to refresh. Meccano Trian is a Dutch car, missing pretty much everything, including the jeweled headlights, steering wheel, back of the seats and side doors, but all those parts are available. So I'll have to order the parts and then I can refresh this car and make it like new. That's a mini police car. It still has the hood, bonnet, the engine hood. It looks to be in pretty good shape. Only missing the doors and the steering wheel and the jeweled headlights, but I can do something with that. That won't be a problem. It's also an oldie and in a very rough state. That's a Simca 8 Sport, missing the frame for the window. Of course needs new tires and very rusty on the bottom, but new paint job, new window frame, new steering wheel and new tires, and it will look factory fresh again. That's the big one. That's a refuse truck, Bedford refuse truck. Also very complete. Has all the lids. The top is cracked. Maybe I can fix it, but if I can't fix it, there are third-party parts for this. It looks in pretty good shape. Here the paint is gone on the sides. For the rest, yeah, needs to be freshened up. It's a very strange tire here. Doesn't fit with the other tires. But yeah, needs to be freshened up. Very nice truck. That's a forklift, a conveyancer. I happen to have the frame that goes over it, the roll cage. It's missing one of the forks, but maybe I can replicate this fork. It's also missing the rope for tighten for the lift, for lifting it up and down. It's also missing the key to move it up and down. But yeah, it's a good candidate for restoration. Very nice model also. And last but not least, we have this Studebaker Commander. Yeah, it's pretty rough shape. It's missing its A-pillars, but yeah, the A-pillars can be repaired. Just needs a new paint job, and it'll be good to go. So that's a very small Dinky haul. As you know from previous videos, I don't have a lot of Dinkies, so these are very welcome. And I'm sure I can do something with this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video with a brand new restoration.